What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Supreme Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to add pictures and videos to your playlist in Shotcut, and I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to do it. So let's get right into the video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, turn on them post notifications so you know exactly when we come out with a brand new video. And also like the video if this helps you out. Alright guys, so I'm assuming that you've downloaded Shotcut and installed it. If you haven't, I'm going to be making a video on that real soon. But if you're watching this, I'm figuring that you already have it. So I'm going to show you from starting right here when you open up Shotcut. Now, what you would do is you would type in a project name and open it up. Click start right here. But I already have one that I'm going to open up. And this one's called the Fort. So what you want to do is once you're here, none of this stuff is going to be here. This is your playlist. So let me just clear this out real quick to show you exactly what it looks like when you first open it up. And it's going to look like this. So you're going to have nothing in here. Now, in order to bring photos and videos to edit into the program, which is going to be called your playlist, what you're going to do is you're going to click on playlists here. Make sure you're not on filters or export or properties or anything like that. Make sure you're clicked on playlist, and you're going to see it says playlist at the top right here and some text in here telling you some information. Once you have it playlist clicked, you're going to click on open file, or you can also click on file, open file. Either one's going to do the same thing. And then that's going to bring you to your file folders. We're going to look for the ones I need. I'm going to go to my videos. Into here, I'm going to find the stuff that I need. I'm going to want this picture. And let's pick a video. Let's go ahead and pick this video. And you click open. Once you click open, if you're picking multiple things, they're going to pop up right here. You don't have to click this plus button, but if you're only opening one thing, like one picture, one video, I'm going to double click on it. See, I got this picture, but it didn't pop up over here. You're going to want to click this plus button, and then it will. But remember, if you're opening up multiple, then they will pop up automatically. And once you have these in your playlist, this is where you can pick from to bring them down here into your timeline. So once you got them up here, you can either hold it and drag it down and let go. That's one way to bring it to your timeline. Or you can bring your arrow down here, right click, and click add video track or add audio track. We're going to click add video track, and it's going to make another track. And then you can pick your media and slide it down and make sure whichever track you want to put it on is highlighted yellow, and then you just let go. And that's how you can get your photos and videos onto a playlist, so that you can start editing them in Shotcut. Let me know in the comments down below if this video helped you out or if you're having any trouble. I'm going to be making a lot more videos on Shotcut tutorials, tips and tricks, all types of stuff that you're going to learn how to do. So if you're new to Shotcut or you like any other tech content, be sure to subscribe, smash that like button if this helps you out. And also turn on them post notifications so you know exactly when we make another video. Also, real quick guys, if you don't have a VPN or you don't know what a VPN is, make sure to check out the link in the description under IPVanish. The link's for IPVanish. I got a crazy deal going on right now. So go ahead, click the link, and it's going to give you all the information you need. That about does it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.